Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 2. Faciam quod postulas, et si difficile videtur ea, quae septem maximis voluminibus explicata sunt in unum conferre. After the first sentence, covered in the previous episode, a very long and beautiful sentence with many degrees of subordination, Lactantius now gives us a fairly simple sentence, though it has its subordinations. I shall do, faciam, what you ask. Then we have this subordinated clause, even though, etsi, which is short for etiamsi, even if, even though, or we might say more simply, although it seems videtur, it seems difficult. Now, what is the subject of videtur? It is conferre, which is an infinitive, that is, a verbal noun. Even though to compress in unum librum, into one book, even though compressing or compiling into one book seems difficult. The infinitive conferre, a verbal noun, can be the subject or object of a verb, often in Latin and Greek, and here it is. Because conferre is active, it can take an object, so it takes ea as its object. So even though compressing conferre into one book seems difficile. Compressing what? Compressing ea, those things. Ea is neuter, plural, and accusative. It's a pronoun, third-person pronoun. It has a subordinated clause, relative clause, which describes it, namely, quae through sunt. Even though compressing into one book, those things, ea, quae septem maximis voluminibus, which in 7 very large volumes were explained. Now, maximis and voluminibus are neuter, plural, and ablative of instrument, while lumen is a third declension noun, while luminous is the genitive, and as I said, it's neuter. It's modified by maximis, which is a superlative adjective, and it's being modified by the indeclinable cardinal numeral septem, 7. Conferre, this verbal noun, this infinitive, as the subject of videtur, has a predicate, difficile, and difficile is neuter, singular, and nominative as the predicate. Here on the map we can see the city of Cirta, which was Lactantius's birthplace, supposedly, and it is in modern-day Algeria.